Want to see your home sparkle like new? Here's the secret. With 2-Win pressure washing, you can revitalize your space in no time. Say goodbye to grime, dirt, and mold. Our powerful pressure washing services will make your driveway, siding, and walkways look brand new. It's like a magic wand for your home's exterior. But it's not just about looks. Regular pressure washing helps extend the life of your surfaces, saving you money in the long run. Plus, it boosts your home's curb appeal instantly. Who wouldn't want that? Ready to transform your home? Head over to 2winpressurewashing.com to learn more. Give your home the love it deserves with 2-Win pressure washing. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Click the link in the description to get started today. Don't wait, make your home shine with 2-Win.